Hi everybody and welcome to Next Learning channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA. First, search for download IntelliJ in Google and the first link is from JetBrains website. Click on that one and this page will show up. Over here you can select the OS you have installed. I have Windows. And there is two versions for IntelliJ, an ultimate version and a community version. With ultimate version, there is a free trial and after that you have to pay money to use the ultimate version. But the community version is completely free and it has all the features that we need for this series. So we are going to get the community version and there is two different way to download this. Download an exe file and a zip file. Depending on your need, you can download anyone. I recommend downloading the exe file. Click on download and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded this. Let's take a look. It is on my desktop. Click on that. Click on next. I am going with the default location. Click on next. Select the 64-bit launcher and remember to select this one. This one will add the Java path to the environment and you don't have to do that manually. Select this and restart your PC after the installation is finished. Click on next, install. I select I want to manually reboot later, but you can reboot it now. Just click on finish. And it is ready to be used. If you have a previous version of IntelliJ, you can import your setting from the previous version. Otherwise, select do not import setting, then OK. And here it is. Over here, you can select the theme that you want, a dark theme or a light one. I am going with the light one. We don't need to change anything over here. And that's it. Start using IntelliJ IDEA. Over here, you can create a new project, import an existing project, open your projects, or get a project from Git. Let's create a new project. From left column, select Java. Over here, you have to select your SDK. It is currently selected Java version 9. If you have any other version, click on New. And if you have installed version 9 or newer, select that folder and press OK. I recommend you to select the default one. If there isn't any over here, you have to install JDK and select it from here. Remember, you need to choose JDK, not JRE. And click on next. I am going to use this template to bring me a main method. Select on next. Over here, I am going to give a name to our project. I am typing fundamentals. And our package name is com.next. Let's choose a different location for our project. Also, I am adding the folder fundamentals over here. Let's click on finish. Okay. This is the tips of the day. Every time you open up IntelliJ, it will give you some tips. You can go to the next tip, usually a good shortcuts over here, and you can deselect this one to not seeing it again. Clicking on close. I'll give it some time to index those files. There is a panel over here, project. Click on that. This is where your files will be. Let's double click on that. And this is our project. We called it fundamentals. Our source will be inside this source folder, inside our package name that we gave, come next, and inside this class over here, main. We need to type our codes between these two curly braces. Write your code over here. I'm going to change this one. You don't have to, but I'm going to change it to okay. Come next, fundamentals. And let's type in a code to test if everything works correctly or not. System.out.println. Welcome to next learning channel. And click on run button, run. And you can see the message over here. This is the code for showing a message on the display. And remember, Java is case sensitive, so you have to use uppercase S over here. The other words are lowercase. If you don't want this font size, let me delete the previous main. If you want a bigger font size, go to File, go to Setting, and type font over here. Select use a custom font, change the size to whatever you want. I am going to use 16. And pressing OK. If you just want to change the size of the editor over here, use the font size under editor and change this size to 16, pressing OK, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, don't forget to like or add a comment. See you in the next video.